Hello, how are you? Today I'm showing two signs that are similar that students tend to confuse. In the future, you won't. Why? Now you're learning the difference. Enable volume or closed captions for English support. Summon versus pet. Okay, one viewer named Brian, he suggested good similar signs. Summon and pet. What's the difference? Summon versus pet. Summon is signed like this. Summon. Summon. You can also summon me. If you want me to come to you, summon. Or they summon. You can change the sign's direction depending on who and where. The general sign is summon. Summon. An English translation can be either summon or call, if you mean summon. It's different from the sign pet. Pet, that word can be signed either fingerspelled, pet, that's fine, P-E-T, or the sign pet. Pet. Notice they look very similar. Summon, pet. The difference is the movement. Movement. For more about the different parameters, the different parts of a sign, you can sign up for my email. It's free email newsletter, and I teach the different lessons and things, tips for learning, and you'll find it in that corner. You can tap or in the video's description, or simply go to aslmeredith.com. So the point is that the signs are different. Summon versus pet, the difference is movement. The hand shape, location, orientation, facial expression, they're all similar. The movement is different. Summon is one movement. Summon. Pet has a double movement, twice. It's like you're petting an animal. Pet. So one time is summon, two times is pet. I hope that helps clarify. Other questions, signs that are similar that you find confusing? Comment and tell me. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell. Ready for more? Check out my online ASL beginner course.